Hey guys, welcome back to our channel program. In this video, I will teach how to make a program to checking the number whether it is even or odd. So let's get started. First of all, we have to take a variable as a. Let's change into it integer from input enter the number. Simple. Then we will use if statement. If bracket a mod 2 is equal to 0. So print even else print or. This is a simple program to make check the number whether it is a odd or even. So run the program. So let's take a number 4. Enter. It's an even. Let's take a number 7. Set off. Here you have get idea how to do this. So thank you everyone.